Hello, gente. This next song goes out for a very special happy birthday to Robert Bernard. Everyone knows who he is, I'm sure, and everyone knows where he's from. Don't have to say it. Shout out, very happy birthday, you know. Hopefully this makes the air because it takes a lot out of me. And, it's a beautiful day though. I'm busy all the time, every day, nonstop. Those of you that know me know that I don't stop. ¿Qué dice? Man. Hey, what day is it? Robert Bernard. Oh, where have you been, my blue-eyed son? Oh, where have you been, my darling young one? I stumbled on the side of 12 misty mountains. I walked, and I've crawled on 6 crooked highways. I've stepped in the middle of 7 dark sad forests. I've been out in front. 3 months later they changed the policy. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. Come home everybody 3 years ago. You're crazy. It's hard. And it's hard. But I'm not essential. So essential that I can't leave, man. No, who, what? Remember Woody and Sam were arguing over their titles because they didn't get a raise, but they were happy they got a title? Man, it's been told to us, man. What did you see, my darling young one? I saw a newborn baby with wild bulls all around it. I used to tell people I wasn't raised by wolves, man. I saw a highway of diamonds with nobody on it. I saw a black drench, that blood that kept dripping. And it's hot, and it's hot. I saw a room full. Man, positive reinforcement, man. All your life, they've been told, yeah, man. Love yourself, get a hobby. And I'm like, but my life is my hobby. Tongues were all broken. I saw guns and sharp swords in the hands of young children. And it's hard, and it's hard. It kind of is a feeling when he says, yeah, it's hard, rain. It's gonna fall. It's not the same thing to spoil your children and have spoiled children, man. It's not the same thing, man. Don't equivocate those, man. What is he talking about? What did you do, my darling young one? I hear the sound of a thunder roared out of warning. I heard the roar of a wave that could. I'm like a little bit behind, but so was the organ player, man. Nobody told him he couldn't be on the record. Well, they did actually. But this is not one of the greatest. Yeah, what's he talking about? Who knows, man? You don't know where lightning's gonna strike, do you? Twice even. I thought, hey, who wouldn't get distracted by beauty? The flowers all around me are swaying and swaying, responding. I heard the sound of a cloud who cried in the alley. Those of you that know me know that I say what's on my mind. People post on Facebook like a thing that says that they are. Why don't you just show? Like, why don't you just tell me the name of the movie that you want to watch? If you like to watch, oh, how did you meet my blue-eyed son? Let's get back to the birthday. We might have to re-record this. I met a young child without a dead pony. I met a white man who walked a black dog. White privileged man. I met a young woman whose body was burned. Yeah, I certainly wouldn't risk it for a. I met a young girl. She gave me a rainbow. I was gonna say newborn, but no, I met a one man who was wounded. That would be revolutionary, man. Using the European formula in the United States, that's ridiculous. Was wounded with hatred. And it's hard. Not really. And it's hard if you don't know how to do. Of course. Leader. Legacy. What's the new one? Yeah, man, let's get it. Let's do that, man. Let's get it for a job we already have. Yeah, fuck yeah, that's it. Then I can deliver tacos on a Tuesday, but at least I have a master's degree, you know, $30,000 here. For a job I have. What do you mean? And then I wanted to go, so what the fuck are we talking? What is he talking? I'll walk to the depths of the deepest black forest. What about throwing good money after bad? I know, okay. It's like, you know, you gotta pay to play, don't you? Oh, what do you mean? Yeah, they want you to help them whittle down the selection pool, you know, in a way. It's called co-opting those that have interests that somehow they defend them. Their hypothetical selves in the future, man. You know, the fucking wealth tax, less than 1% of the country or whoever, and yet, man, you know what? We gotta get rid of the wealth tax and go back to the gold standard, man. Because I want my purchasing power to be what? That's why I needed some input, doctor. Wit. Speaking of wits, James Thurber didn't say, you know what, but he did say you gotta say it clearly. And I'm just developing it, man. I don't know what this is, man. It's not really a career change when you've been doing everything you want your whole life. That's what I want to continue to do, man. How do you do that? But why don't you just keep doing what you're doing? I know, isn't that a radical idea, though, man? It's, you know, like, it's a lot of pressure, man. And it's hard. And it's hard rain. It's gonna fall. Happy birthday, Robert Bernard. If you have any other requests, please, you know where to contact me. Thank you. Everybody. Anybody. Two.